Want to create your own game but don't know where to start? It can seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, you're not alone. Many beginners feel the same way when they start their game development journey. Here's a step-by-step guide that makes game development easy. Whether you're aiming to create a simple mobile game or a complex PC game, this guide will help you get started. Let's jump right in. The first step is crucial and sets the foundation for your entire project. First, choose your game engine. This is the software you'll use to build your game. I recommend Unity or Unreal Engine. These are two of the most popular game engines in the industry. They're free and packed with features. Unity is great for 2D and 3D games, while Unreal Engine is known for its stunning graphics. Don't worry, they're beginner-friendly. Both engines have extensive documentation and community support to help you out. Next, plan your game concept. This is where your creativity comes into play. Think about the story, the characters, the gameplay. What kind of experience do you want to create for your players? Write it down or sketch it. Visualizing your ideas can help you refine them. This is your blueprint. A well-thought-out plan will guide you through the development process. Now let's talk coding. Don't freak out. Coding is an essential part of game development, but it doesn't have to be intimidating. You can start with simple scripts, begin with basic functions, and gradually build up your skills. Platforms like Unity use C#, which is pretty easy to learn. Unreal Engine uses C++ and Blueprints, a visual scripting system. Just follow some tutorials online and you'll get the hang of it. There are countless resources available to help you learn. Creating assets is next. This includes all the visual and audio elements of your game. You'll need graphics, sounds, and music. These elements bring your game to life. Use tools like Blender for 3D models or GIMP for 2D art. Both are free and powerful tools. Need sounds? Try freesound.org. It's a great resource for free sound effects and music. Testing time. This is where you play your game to find and fix any issues. Play your game. Break it. Testing is crucial to ensure your game runs smoothly. Fix the bugs. Repeat. This process can be tedious, but it's essential for a polished game. Get feedback from friends or online communities. Fresh eyes can spot issues you might have missed. This is super important to make your game better. Constructive criticism can help you improve your game significantly. Finally, it's time to publish. This is the moment you've been working towards. You can release your game on platforms like Steam or itch.io. These platforms make it easy to reach a wide audience. Share it with the world and get ready for feedback. Engaging with your players can help you grow as a developer, and there you have it. From idea to launch, that's how you make your own game. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you create, the better you'll get. So keep creating and improving. Each project is a learning experience. Want more tips? Watch this video again and dive deeper. There's always more to learn in game development. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Keep dreaming, keep creating, and most importantly, have fun. Hey, want to create your own game but don't know where to start? It can seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry, you're not alone. Many beginners feel the same way when they start their game development journey. Here's a step-by-step guide that makes game development easy. Whether you're aiming to create a simple mobile game or a complex PC game, this guide will help you get started. Let's jump right in.